5 benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach. Benefit number 1, helps keep your body hydrated. Benefit number 2, may support healthy digestion. Benefits 3, helps your body perform its normal functions efficiently. Benefit na number 4, may help you feel refreshed and energized throughout the day. Benefit number 5, drinking enough water every day is essential for overall health. Follow Hakikat Hub 1 for more health and science facts.